Very good morning, everyone. This is George Bayruthi from FS Securities, a stockbroking firm on the Gold Coast in Queensland, Australia. And I will show you how investors and traders can make money on our stock market. I will show you what is hot and what is not, and what you should hold and what you should fold. And so enjoy the presentation, and if you have any questions later on, any feedback, please let us know. Well, this what you see at the moment is exactly what happens overnight and what we expect. US market was closed yesterday because of the President's Day holiday. And in Europe, shares drifted. As you can see here, the StoxX 50 index, which comprises most European markets, was up 0.1%, almost steady. In London, the FTSE was down 17 points. In Germany, the DAX was flat. However, in Asia, the Nikkei was up 1.8%, and in China, 3.2% up. I guess that's probably because of the discussion they have with the US on the trade embargo or the trade tariffs. Our market yesterday followed what's happening in Asia and was up 0.4%. And the futures this morning showed that the market most likely will open flat. Gold up $7.60, that's still very strong. And crude oil $56.06, up 0.9%. The Australian dollar 71.4 and will give you 63.2 euro cents and 55.4 British pounds and 104 New Zealand. Okay, now in terms of the volume, you can see here that the volume is steady around the 1.7 billion shares changing hands. So that's where we are at the moment with the volume. In terms of the sectors, we can see that all sectors are very bullish. Gold and the materials are the strongest, but every other sector seems to be quite strong. In terms of sectors yesterday, the strongest sector was energy and resources and metal and mining and gold, as you have seen before. And the weakest one was industrial and consumer discretionary. Okay, now in terms of looking at the chart, this is the ASX 200, the XJO, and you can see here that the market is moving steady around that level. But remember, we told you a few days ago that the fact that it actually crossed over the 200-day moving average, seems to be very positive for our market. Where is it going to go? Well, you look at the previous high, we're not going to be surprised to see the market going up to 6,200. Of course, we have overseas various factors that can affect our market. In terms of what is hot and what is not, ANZ has gone slightly bearish on the very aggressive trader, and so is CBA. So the bank had a good run, and now they're actually going from very strong bullish to neutral and bear. We like Newcrest Mines, we like Rio, and we like Santos, and we like Woolworths, and we like Transurban, as you can see here. Alright, what happened yesterday compared to what we forecast on Saturday last weekend, we can see that BHP is strong. Although CBA appears to be bear, it had slightly 16 cents up on the market yesterday, but we're looking at the overall long-term perspective. Woolworths was strong, well, slightly strong by 0.4%. Rio, very strong, 1.4%, and BHP very strong at 1.5%. So what do we trade today? Well, of course, we're bullish on BHP, we're bullish on Rio, and we're still bullish on Woolworths, and Transurban, we have a good look at it. Alright, because I don't know your financial circumstances, everything I said today is of general advice nature, and be cautious, and before you take any action, please consult with us or